Chiropractor Dr. Gregory Johnson, and Super Bowl is going on in Houston right now. It started off on Saturday, and this week is just gorgeous here in Houston, and there's Super Bowl activities and parties all week long. But the best Super Bowl event in Houston is right here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. We've got like 50 people coming in from out of state going to be here this week. We've already had people from San Francisco, San Diego, Missouri, Oklahoma. Where else today?
Did you say San Francisco?
Yeah.
And Kansas City?
Kansas City, yeah. Chris is going to be here later this afternoon. Chris Carrico. Okay, let's relax and have you flex your head forward and backwards again. Angel, he lives here in Houston, so he gets to fight all the additional traffic that we're having with the Super Bowl being here, but it's not that bad yet, is it?
It's not too bad.
Downtown's going to be the
we're a little
crowded
we're
area.
a little far away, so we're pretty good.
Yeah, we're north of downtown about 30 minutes. It'd probably take about an hour to get downtown later in the week.
Oh yeah. Stay away from there.
Well, Renee and I are going to the ESPN Super Bowl party on, what's that, Thursday night, Renee? Or Friday night? When's that party, Thursday night or Friday night?
Friday.
Friday, okay. Let's come in here. Okay, doke. I'm gonna have Renee wear a dress in here on Thursday. Let's slide down this way. Yeah, you are. And I'll wear my tux. And we'll do a Super Bowl video. Hey, I want to thank y'all for liking and sharing on all social media Brooke Adams' video that we did last week to raise money for the Texas Chiropractic Association. Yeah, go. Oh yeah, home run. Felt that all the way down, didn't you? There. Yeah, he's still kicking. You good? You feel that all the way down?
Yes.
Okay, just relax and breathe. You gotta breathe. There you go. That's it. Perfect. Kind of knocks the air out of you at first, doesn't it, Angel?
Yes, sir. I can't even talk.
Yeah. Because I'm adjusting the thoracic spine and the entire rib cage in one split second, sometimes it forcefully, okay, let's come over here, let me tell you, forcefully expels the air out of the lungs, and sometimes kind of knocks the air out of people at first. First time I had it done, I thought I'd been run over by a truck. But a week later, I felt great. Stuck on the rim. This is Angel's second treatment here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. All of you that are coming in town for the Super Bowl, we've been so busy. Renee hasn't even had a chance to pick up the phone sometimes, so best to go to advancedchiropractor.com and fill out an appointment request and let her get back to you. We'll try to work you in if you're coming in from out of state or out of the country. But we do all appointments here. No walk-ins. That's how we keep on schedule. That way we give everybody their specific amount of time. There we go. And dedicated appointment time so that they're not having to wait around here all day long. There we go. Got one more right there. Yep. Okay. See, your legs are even now. It should feel easier coming up this time, Angel.
Yep.
Good. Okay, you're gonna feel your head popping up a little bit next. Slide down this way just a little bit. Gorgeous weather here in Houston. It's, what is it, 70 out today?
It went from 40 to 75.
Yep. A little cool at night and in the mornings, but it's going up 70, 75 degrees every day. A couple of days last week were 80s. There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back.
It's clear skies
I think
out
it's
there,
supposed
too.
to be pretty beautiful all week here in Houston.
You can see downtown, Memorial,
Galleria. There we go. That's it. Now slide down this way. Yeah, you're good. Just this way a little bit. That's perfect. Now put your arms out like this. The Patriots are flying into George Bush Intercontinental, which is just right over here at 3 o'clock today. So about 3:15 to 3:30, we're expecting to see all their buses come right by here on the Sam Houston Parkway, going to downtown. They're going to be doing all their pre-Super Bowl workouts and stuff at University of Houston, where we have several patients. Okay, just relax this. There we go. Falcons got in yesterday. I think they're at Rice University. There we go. Now you should have felt that in your knees all the way up to your back.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's sit that face this way. There we go. This way. As you can see outside behind us is clear blue skies in Houston right now. It's beautiful. Houston's a great city to host the Super Bowl. Lots of really cool stuff going on downtown right now. Laser light shows.
NFL Experience was here.
NFL Experience is here. ESPN downtown. There we go. And we'll start seeing a bunch of the players coming in this week too. There we go. Good, okay. Now let's have you stand up here in front of the mirror again. Alright, Angel. I'm going to have you flex your head forward and backwards again. I see that shit already felt a little smoother than the first one. Pull these up and back. Flare these guys like this. And then spread your feet a little bit further apart. There we go. Kind of want to look behind the wall behind you. Start the extensions pull. Adjust your atlas on the x-axis here. There you go. Now relax. Now try that again. See how this one feels. Should feel smoother than the previous one.
Sure does.
Yep. Take a look. You're even right down the middle here too. So after 2 visits here, Angel, what would you tell our YouTube subscribers about your experience?
9-day. Feel great. Feel like a new man. Feel like I'm getting better. I dealt with dealing with a herniated disc for about 4 months, and this is the first time I feel this good.
Oh, praise the Lord. You do. We'd have to thank you for sharing your experience. This is your Houston Chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, home of Super Bowl 51. We'll see y'all soon.